Hi guys! For today's video, ang ipapakita natin is digital hot plate, digital preheater Hanstar 946C. Hanstar 946 series micrometer temperature controlled heating board is made from high quality integrative aluminum alloy. The heat is well distributed and won't deform at high temperature. The heating is controlled by CPU. As it can automatically judge faults. Easy to operate and very accurate. So guys, ang plate size niya is 200 by 200 by 2 mm. Temperature range is 50 to 350 degrees Celsius. 800 wattage, weight 4.75 kg. 3-prong plug for safety and grounding. So guys, try naman natin siyang i-open. Kung makikita nyo, ito po yung electronic hot plate temperature natin. May 3 button po siya dito sa baba. Ito pong unang button is kung ang desired nyo pong temperature is mataas. Halimbawa, 108 degrees Celsius. Ito pong pangalawa is para siya sa down or mas mababang temperature. And last po, itong asterisk button para kung ang desired nyo pong temperature is 108 degrees Celsius. Ito po yung i-click nyo, yung asterisk button for OK. Ang example po natin is 108 degrees Celsius. Yung kanina pong nakita nyong ano dito sa may digital readout. So, kanina, ang sinet nating temperature is 108 degrees Celsius. So, intayin na lang natin ma-reach yung 108 degrees Celsius. So, madali lang siyang uminit kasi nasa 800 wattage siya and hindi po siya nadideform. Ayun po ang kagandahan sa kanya. Ayan guys, na-reach niya na yung 108 degrees Celsius. So guys, malamig na siya. Pwede na natin siyang ilagay sa kanyang box. So, need muna natin siyang i-plastic.